Hey gang, welcome back to Armcandy. Today's bag is this gorgeous blue leather Prada bag. How amazing is that colour? I just love it. I think it's just fantastic. Beautiful grained Prada leather. Stunning bag. It's got double shoulder straps, okay, so you can wear it comfortably on your shoulder. It comes with the little Prada luggage tag, the Prada badge on the front. It's got 4 Prada studs on the base. There's the back. And then on both sides it has a pocket. Let me just put my camera back on. There we go. So both sides it has a pocket, and these pockets go right to the base of the bag. So they're really handy, useful pockets. I don't know if you keep a bottle of water in there or what you want to do with that. The fasten is a magnetic press-stud fasten just there. And inside is this huge cabinet space that you could just chuck everything in. It's got that beautiful, let's see if I can show you, beautiful navy Prada lining. And it's got one zipped pocket and one flat pocket. So there's the zipped pocket. Okay, again, a good size zip pocket, and let's show you the zip pull. Okay, and then we've got in front of that a flat pocket, which has got the badge. Okie dokie. It comes with the dust bag. And also my favourite, the little Prada envelope, dinky and cute, and the card. And to show you the size, the measurements are, the exact measurements are on the website, and there's a link to that in the comments below. But to give you an idea, I am about 5'4" and I'm a UK size 10. Okay, so that gives you an idea of the size. And the shoulder straps are very comfortable. You know, sometimes it feels like they're going to slip off. This doesn't. They're very safe and very secure. They're very soft leather as well. So it feels comfortable on your shoulder. Okay. So condition. We've called the interior excellent condition because it's absolutely stunning inside. And the exterior and the hardware we've called very good. There's nothing particularly for me to point out to you. You can just see that it's perhaps had a few wears, that's all. So the hardware is all fantastic, very good condition, there's nothing to point out. The bottom corners are all great, nothing to point out. I think on the base is where you can tell it's perhaps had a little bit of use. But as you can see, the camera's not even really picking anything up there at all. So very good condition, just signs that somebody has used it a couple of times. So, there's a link to this on our website in the comments below, but before you go, remember to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell. If you like bags and purses and wallets and all that Armcandy encompasses, then you should subscribe to this channel. Basically, we have got new bags coming in all of the time. And obviously, if you're waiting for a particular bag, you want to be the first to hear about it. So subscribe to this channel and hit the bell, and then every time we put a new video on here, you'll get an alert. And every time you get an alert, it means you can check and see, is that my dream bag? And if it is, I need to go and get it quickly before someone else does. And then once you've done that, go to my comments below, hit the link and go and check out this bag, it's Prada on the website, along with all of our other bags, they're all on there, wallets, purses, they're all there. And whilst you're there, remember to sign up to our newsletter, because we send you a discount code that you can enter at the checkout for your first purchase. It will take you seconds to do. You just scroll to the bottom of any page on the website and there's a little box. You put your email address in there and then we will immediately send you your discount code. If you don't get it immediately, so if you don't get it in say a minute, maybe 2 minutes, check your spam folder in case it's gone into there. But have a lovely rest of the day. It's beautiful sunshine where we are. We're right in the centre of the UK, a little town called Market Harborough. There is a fabulous coffee shop that sells morning pastries around the corner, the Garage Bakehouse. The queue is down the road, everyone's looking happy, sun is shining, so we're hoping to have a happy, wonderful day here. Hope you have a fabulous day. See you tomorrow for tomorrow's gorgeous arm candy.